Again, I'm hoping these abstract readings are helping you guys. All right, next is another time series abstract from ICML 2023. This poster abstract is entitled SOM-CPC Unsupervised Contrastive Learning with Self-Organizing Maps for Structured Representations of High-Rate Time Series. They have their project page, GitHub, their poster, and they have their paper. And I'll come back to that. And then these are their slides. Just letting you have a glance at these. All right, and let's go back to their paper. Go glance at this. Always interesting to see what they want to show. All right, let's go back to the abstract. Okay, continuous monitoring with an ever-increasing number of sensors has become ubiquitous across many application domains. However, acquired time series are typically high-dimensional and difficult to interpret. Expressive deep learning models have gained popularity for dimensionality reduction, but the resulting latent space often remains difficult to interpret. In this work, we propose SOM-CPC, a model that visualizes data in an organized 2D manifold while preserving higher dimensional information. We address a largely unexplored and challenging set of scenarios comprising high-rate time series and show on both synthetic and real-life data, physiological data, and audio recordings that SOM-CPC outperforms strong baselines like DL-based feature extraction, followed by conventional dimensionality reduction techniques, and models that jointly optimize a DL model and a self-organizing map, SOM. SOM-CPC has great potential to acquire a better understanding of latent patterns in high-rate data streams. All right, that's it. Let's see. We have next sequential multidimensional self-supervised learning for clinical time series. That should be good. That'll be on the next one, guys. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.